Today I will talk about seat configuration in airline. For the background, what is a seat configuration? An airline seat is a seat of an airliner in which passengers are accommodated for the duration of the journey. A diagram of such seat in an aircraft is called an aircraft seat map. On the oldest plane, seats were armchairs which stood loosely in the cabin, but movable furniture in the aircraft is a safety hazard, and seats are now fastened to the floor. The current issue of seat configuration. Cramped seat was the current issue on the seat configuration. Placing more seats on plane is how low-cost carrier can offer cheaper fare. If the department were to require more rooms between rows, fewer seats would mean higher fare. Airbus say more cramped seating offer airliners and their economy customer more choice, especially those in China and Southeast Asia who are willing to sacrifice comfort for cheaper seats. The FAA requires airlines to be able to evacuate a plane within 90 seconds with half of doors blocked. While the narrow rows and aisle can handle movement, the FAA doesn't regulate seating for comfort. For the future, one of the world's largest airline seat maker, Zodiac Seat France, has applied for a patent to reconfigure the seat on airplanes so that every other passenger in a row is facing towards the back of the planes. That means, in a row of 3 flyers, the seat by the window and the seat by the aisle face towards the front of the planes, while the middle seat face toward the backs. To make it easier to exit, the seat flip up when a passenger stands, like seen in many movie theaters. This seat design called economic class cabin hexagon. The benefit is we can get more space in seat configuration, so the passenger will more comfortable during flight and less in flight skirmishes. Passenger can evacuate from aircraft faster during emergency. Business class cabin have seats that turn into beds, large entertainment screen and more leg rooms than most people could ever use. US airliners are increasingly use such amenities to lure business travelers onto the most traveled air route in America, from New York City JFK to Los Angeles LAX. The privilege of flying business class on transcontinental US flight can easily cost an extra $1,000 over flying in coach, but that cost is worth it to some. Will in turn account for an outsized portion of carrier revenue. The US Department of Transportation estimate that 2.6 million passengers travel on the route in 2013, 26% more than the next popular route according to data compiled by Plane Stats. That's all from me.